First, use tools to open the machine cover panel. Open the cover panel as shown in the video. Unscrew the oil dipstick to prepare for adding 4-stroke engine oil. Oil selection 10W30. Use tools to add 450 milliliters of engine oil. After filling, the oil level is as shown in the video. Use the oil dipstick to check the oil level. First, wipe off surface oil stains. Then insert the dipstick into the filler port, ensuring oil level is within the crochetched area. Finally, reinstall the oil dipstick. Connect the battery cables, remove protective caps, and connect, as shown. After connection, reinstall the machine cover panel. Use tools to tighten and secure the screws. Unscrew the fuel cap to add gasoline to the tank. Fuel type: regular unleaded gasoline. After filling, reinstall the fuel cap. Then turn the vent plug to the on position. Turn the fuel valve to the on position. Set the low idle switch to the OFF position. Turn the main switch to the on position. Start the machine by pressing the starter switch. Alternatively, use the recoil starter. First pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This two-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. Remote start option. First remove the remote control. Then press the on button on the remote to start. After startup, set the low idle switch to on. Connect the machine plug to the generator. Properly wear protective gear before operation. During high-intensity operations, the generator delivers consistent and sufficient power output that meets the majority of demand. To shut down the machine, you can press the stop switch. Or press the OFF button on the remote to shut down. Alternatively, turn the main switch to OFF to shut down. Note: the first two methods require main switch shutdown for complete stop. Finally, turn the fuel valve to the OFF position. Disconnect battery cables during prolonged storage to prevent the battery from draining.